introduction of polynomials and we will start exercise 2.1. In last video we have learned what are the types of polynomials. In that we learned there are monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. Monomial with one terms, binomial with two, trinomial with three and polynomials means one or more than one terms are comes or are called as polynomials. Then according to degree we have learned the polynomial having degree 1 is called as linear polynomial, the polynomial having degree 2 is called as quadratic, having 3 is called as cubic and having 4 is called as biquadratic polynomials. So something related to that only we will learn today. Some facts. They are number 1 standard form. Standard form. Now what is standard form of a polynomial? So standard form of polynomial is we have to write the polynomials in the descending or ascending order of powers of the variable. Okay? We have to write the polynomials in the ascending or in the descending order of powers of the variable. Such as if I give you the example 2x square minus 3x to the power 4 plus 2x minus 2x plus 1. Now you always say that this is an highest power is 4 means degree is 4, so it is biquadratic polynomial. But now we will write it in standard form. So what is standard form? Standard form will be first highest power to the power 4. Now see the term whose power is 3 is ascent. So we will write in terms of that 0x cube plus 2x square minus 2x plus 1. So this is nothing but a standard form of an given polynomial. समझ में आ गया standard form फिर? Next is the constant polynomial. ये भी चीज बहुत important है. Constant polynomials. Now what are constant polynomials? The polynomials which has only one term and that is only a constant is called as the constant polynomial. समझ में आया? और polynomial जैसा आपने मोनोमियल बोला था तो यहाँ पे भी मोनोमियल ही रहेगा लेकिन वो मोनोमियल के साथ में भी सिर्फ कांस्टेंट ही रहेगा. That is called as a constant polynomial. Okay? Suppose example 1. This is a constant polynomial minus 2 by 3. This is also a constant polynomial. Then minus 3. This is also a constant polynomial. And the degree of constant polynomial is always 0. The degree of constant polynomial is always 0. यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे सपोज करो यहाँ पे क्या है 1. मैंने क्या बोला दिस ऑल वी हैव रिटन इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर 4 3 2 1. तो यहाँ पे x to the power 0. So if there is only constant then that constant have degree 0. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 1x to the power 0 minus 2 by 3 y to the power 0 minus 3 z to the power 0. Understood? What are constant polynomial? The polynomials with only non-zero constant. ऐसा बोला तो चलेगा नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट, ऐसा पॉलिनोमियल जिसमें नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट आता होगा वो क्या रहेगा, वो क्या रहेगा, कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल। नाउ द कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल इन विच द टर्म इज जीरो, मींस सिर्फ जीरो आता हो, ये भी कांस्टेंट ही है लेकिन ये क्या है, सिर्फ जीरो, जीरो के अलावा बाकी कुछ भी नहीं, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ जीरो पॉलिनोमियल। द पॉलिनोमियल which include constant as zero only is called as constant, also is called as zero polynomial. Now the degree of the zero polynomial is what, 1 रहेगी, 0 x to power 1, 0 x to power 10, 0 x to power 100, कुछ भी दो इसमें कोई भी फर्क गिरेगा नहीं, because it is zero, right? So if you are asked that what is the degree of the zero polynomial, so degree of zero polynomials can't be defined, can't be determined, ठीक है। तो ये सब चीजें ध्यान में रखनी है आपको। इसमें और एक चीज मैं इंक्लूड कर रहा हूं, वो ये है, अगर क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल होगा, if there is cubic polynomial, तो क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखता हूं मैं, 2ax³ प्लस bx² प्लस cx प्लस d, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर पावर्स ऑफ द वेरिएबल। सो हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर हियर, काउंट 1 2 3 4, ये क्यूबिक का टर्म्स कितने हैं, 4। ये बाय क्वाड्रेटिक का टर्म्स कितने हैं, 1 2 3 4 5। तो ध्यान में आ रहा है, लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल क्या है, लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ax plus b, लीनियर मींस डिग्री 1, टर्म्स आर 2, क्या ध्यान में आ रहा है आपको, बाय क्वाड्रेटिक में 5, क्यूबिक में 4, लीनियर में 2, means the number of terms in a polynomial is one more than the degree of that polynomial, ठीक है, the number of terms are one more than the degree of the polynomials, ठीक है। कितने टर्म्स होते हैं फिर, एक ज्यादा उसके डिग्री से, so this all things we have to keep in mind, okay। कंपल्सरी नहीं है, यहाँ पे आप देखोगे 1 2 3 4 ही आए थे, एटमैक्स बोल रहा हूं, मैक्सिमम बोल रहा हूं, ठीक है, उससे मतलब यहाँ पे डिग्री 4 है तो वहां पे 6 टर्म्स नहीं होना चाहिए, हो ही नहीं सकते, एटमैक्स 5, एटमैक्स 4, एटमैक्स 2, जितनी डिग्री होगी उससे एक ज्यादा। नाउ we'll turn towards our exercise number 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Now see what is exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1 first question is, which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. You have to also state the reason for that answer. देखो आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 4x² minus 3x plus 7, पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल। पहले तो देखो ये पॉलिनोमियल है क्या, पॉलिनोमियल देखना कैसा, होल नंबर क्या होना चाहिए, पावर, हियर होल नंबर इज देयर ओनली पावर, सो इट इज therefore as there is only one variable whose what, as there is only one variable and whose powers It is an polynomial with one variable. Next, I will not write for all now. Y square plus root 2 पावर सिर्फ किसका देखना है, वेरिएबल का ही। वेरिएबल का पावर क्या है यहाँ पे, होल नंबर, मतलब पॉलिनोमियल है और एक ही वेरिएबल है, इसलिए इट इज एन पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल। नेक्स्ट दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट वन, 3 root t plus t root 2, ठीक है। व्हाट इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, इसको ऐसा लिखते हैं 3t to the power 1/2 plus t root 2। here power of variable is not a whole number, not a whole number, therefore it is not a polynomial। ये polynomial ही नहीं है, भले ही उसके अंदर एक ही वेरिएबल होगा, पर it is not a polynomial। Why? Because the power of the variable is not a whole number। So other you have to solve। Next question number 2, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following। तो here question number 2, we are write coefficient of x square। number 1 is 2 plus x square plus x। coefficient of x square means the constant which is coming with the variable x square। so coefficient of x square is, और यहाँ पे कोई नहीं मतलब 1 is 1। next second और third I am taking directly 5/2 x square plus x। so here we can write coefficient of x square is 5/2। okay, next here in fourth one, root 2x minus 1। so coefficient of x square, यहाँ पे x square नहीं है, अगर आपको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना हो तो आप लिख सकते हो 0x square plus root 2x minus 1। so here coefficient of x square is 0। ठीक है, so like this, in this way you can solve the questions। next one, that is question number 3rd। what question number 3rd is there? see, this exercise is totally depends upon the basic of this chapter, the introduction part of this chapter। so question number 3rd, give one example of each of the binomial of degree। number 1, binomial of degree how much, 35। क्या आएगा, बायनोमियल में दो ही टर्म होने चाहिए और डिग्री कितनी होनी चाहिए, 35। कोई भी एग्जांपल लिख सकते हो आपके मन से, x to the degree, how much? Monomial degree. Monomial of degree 100. Monomial of degree 100. What is that? Monomial means only one term. So minus x to the power 100 minus 99 x to the power 100. So many terms are there that you can write. Any one you can choose and you can write. Next, question number 4. Question number 4 is write the degree of each of the following polynomials. You have to mention the degrees. Very easy this also. 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Degree of given polynomial is, क्या है हैश पावर यहाँ पे 3, तो is 3. Next, yes, this one, fourth one is 3. ये क्या है? कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल. तो डिग्री ऑफ गिवन polynomial is 0. Why it is 0? Because we have learned that constant polynomial has degree 0. This can also be written as 3x to the power 0. Not only x, any variable you can choose there. ठीक है? Next, that is question number 5. Question number 5 is classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic. Question number 5, linear, quadratic and third one is cubic. We have to classify into 3 groups. First one, x square plus x, दो टर्म है. सर दो टर्म नहीं, डिग्री कितनी है? 2. हाईएस्ट डिग्री is 2. That's why it will be quadratic. X minus x cube, highest power is 3. So it will be cubic. X minus x cube. Y plus y square plus 4, highest power is 2. So it will be quadratic. It is y plus y square plus 4. 1 plus x, highest power 1, degree 1 है, तो linear 1 plus x. Next is 3t, highest power यहाँ पे कितना है? 1, so 3t will be linear. r square means highest power is 2, so it will be quadratic. 3t square. Then 3t is there, and that one r square means power is highest power is 2, that's why it will be quadratic. And next one is 7x cube. 7x cube is there, so highest power is 3, so it will come here as a cubic polynomial. ठीक है? So this was all about exercise number 2.1. Wherever you have any queries, please ask me. Please feel trying to ask me. ठीक है? I will be there always with you to solve any type of queries. ठीक है? जो कुछ भी आती होगी आपको, लेकिन एक चीज मेरे ध्यान में रखना, मैंने इसके पहले की वीडियो में भी आपको बोला हूँ कि आपको 8th स्टैंडर्ड का अच्छे से करना होगा. एडिशन, सबट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन ऑफ अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन एंड सिंप्लीफिकेशन, आइडेंटिटी सभी करने हैं, एंड आल्सो फैक्टराइजेशन. फैक्टराइजेशन इज most important for you. Okay, thank you.